Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Sangamo Therapeutics SGMO. So actually SGMO is showing very interesting downtrend beginning now, but if you ask a question, is it a good stock to buy? I would say it's definitely a good stock to watch and to wait for some nice buy opportunities. So to see those and understand where it's best to buy, let's first check the general stats for the stock. So actually after having around 26th of May, the maximum in RSI, so overbought zone, the stock actually was volatile and the price was deciding a little bit sliding down. And what is important to notice here that the moving average 20 is actually turning down, and now it has confirmed maximum and now going to decline area. This is really very scary for mid and short-term players, because they might think that what can happen is actually the magic cross down is being formed, meaning that the moving average 20 will touch moving average 50 from upstairs, and this will create very strong down pressure. So this is the current driver that will also accelerate the trend downstairs momentarily, but then the question is, will it really go further or when it will return? If you look at the MACD index, actually divergence convergence, similar behavior you can see after reaching this overbought zone. It was just going down and it continued downtrend. Now it's a negative zone, kind of flattening, and you would expect it go up, but actually it seems like it shows sign to go another wave down, so then it should be reversal can be expected. This overall starts to build a positive upwards pressure, although it's too early to say it's fully built, but the process is ongoing. So now what we observe today is actually the price almost tried to reach moving average 50, and this zone is working kind of a support line. So most probably tomorrow we will either have, given it's also Friday, either we'll have a small retrace of the stock, so we're confirming that moving average 50 works as a support here, or it can be even pierced, or it can be pierced beginning next week. So it could take 1 or 2 trading sessions, but it's most probably will go down. In case it continues trend up, okay, yeah, it's very unclear and predictable situation here, and it's up to you to decide if you want to trade this area, but it's more like a casino gambling actually. But in case it pierces further down, which would be the most logical from the chart analysis, then it will be very interesting to watch where to buy. Also, among other factors that saying we will have in the short term some downtrend reversals, actually there was a long uptrend which we observed. It was confirmed many times here, slightly confirmed. Then it was pierced here. Then last week's price, this week actually price was deciding, and now it finally goes down. This is also confirmed by strong decline of RSI, so people are selling, especially last days. And it's tending to oversold zone, which also starts to create some pressure. Now the question, what would happen if it goes further, and when is the best point to buy? Well, there are some, of course, good support lines where we can start considering buying. Here is many times confirmed kind of resistance for previous history. This would be interesting to watch. So anything below that would be good buying opportunity. If it pierces further and continues, actually anything below that would be a very good buy opportunity. So we can make 2 boxes then. This is box number 1, box number 2. And actually, even when it pierces moving average 20 before it reaches moving average moving average 50, and before it reaches moving average 200, it still will be kind of a positive pressure development zone. Let's call it 0 area. You can still buy here, but mind having some funds in reserve to average down. So then this will be box number 1 with a good buy, and box number 2 with a strong buy. I don't know if we even reach this area, but in case, it will be a very good buy zone. Then reversal can be expected, and actually then in case we also observe somewhere the magic cross, yeah, it would mean that actually the moving average will return on 20 and it will drag up as well moving average 50. Then the question will be, when is the best time to sell? And if you want to answer that one, well, I would say if it pierces down before moving average 50, just sell before we reach moving average 50 will be the safest play. And otherwise, we really need to watch for the current situation. Another resistance here is actually this line, so this could be also a nice selling point. Actually, this line also could be for tomorrow kind of a resistance. So in case of observer bounce, it can bounce up and then down. Actually, this could be also one of the scenarios. But I don't really like to give like 1-2 days scenarios because this is also, there's a lot of stochasticity involved. But overall, if it goes to area 1 or 2, you know what to do. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.